Hey, Mike here with Riverview Turfworks, Fort Smith's local lawn and landscaping company. A flower bed job out here on this retaining wall, removing some plants, adding some plants, and we noticed that this retaining wall has some issues, okay? So you can see here, in between these blocks, there are no gaps over here. Then here we have gaps all the way down over here. That's a first indication that a retaining wall is failing. And another indication here, once you see this, is this dirt right here. So you can see dirt is flowing through the wall. Water's flowing through the wall and bringing dirt with it. So that's an indication that drainage was not properly done whenever this wall was built. So just a little overview here on this wall, or on retaining walls in general. This is going to be a broad overview for you. So basically you're going to have excavation done, and then dirt's going to be excavated a good distance behind the wall here. And fabric, some geogrid fabric will be installed. That's going to prevent the dirt from coming through the wall, which is what's happening right now. And then in front of that fabric, between the wall and the fabric, is going to be various layers of crushed rock for drainage, and as well as drainage pipes as well. And what's happening now is there's either an issue with that fabric, or there was no fabric installed at all. So the dirt is mixing in with the gravel and coming through, and drainage is either non-existent or clogged up and coming through this wall right here, which is causing this issue here that you see. So basically the dirt is turning to mud and pushing this wall out, which is what this problem is. So there's your tip for the day. Look for damages on your retaining walls.